Incredible from Trias. Guys, if you've been following the channel for long enough, you'd be knowing that we've been calling absolutely every single one of these moves all the way down since $3.50, because we were essentially saying many months ago, just before the new year, that we needed to hold the 200 EMA, which was $3.50, in order to get a breakout of $5 so we could go ahead and meet the next set of targets, which would be $7, $12.40, and also $16.97, and we came up to $16.97 and rejected it. We do have some further targets to the upside at $26, then $31, our previous all-time high, and we've been pretty much calling each move exactly since the $3.50 test of support on the 200 EMA down there. So once $5 was broken, we can see all our targets were getting met: $7, $12, and $17. After meeting the 1414, we did put in a deeper correction. What was meant to do in this scenario is actually fall back to the 1272, $12.46, but when we marked out that specific wick, it was more specifically $12.30, and as long as you hold the 1272 fib, you continue to the 1618 fib, and that's why in those Twitter and YouTube updates we were saying that as long as $12.30 holds, we're going to continue to the 1618 at $26 and then to the all-time high $31. But equally, in those same Twitter posts, in those same YouTube updates, I was also saying that the moment we lose $12.30, the target becomes $10, and that is a psychological level of support that we'll be using as a DCA level. Equally, when we came down there on Twitter, I made an update saying now that we have used $10 as support, we will now be given a chance to invalidate any further downside before a potential bearish cross forms if we can now climb back above the moving averages before that bearish cross, and this is called an EMA repel. Unfortunately, we topped out at about $11.50 right over there, which I was making Twitter updates on every single day, so make sure you're following me over on there, because the last couple of weeks or so, unfortunately, a lot of stuff was going on in the household. My wifey Abby was very ill with the flu. I think it's going about everywhere at the moment in England, and then also my dog had seizures, a crazy reaction to her vaccine, so she's never going to get that again. Everything's back to normal now. That's why I was making those Twitter updates and not actually getting those YouTube videos out, but both will continue to come out business as usual. And in those very updates, we were mentioning that although we failed to reclaim $12.30, this is now a sign of bearish continuation. And of course, we would say we continue this bearish downtrend if we lose the 55, but I marked out a more specific level of support over on Twitter, $9.28, and I was actually saying that it's not actually $10 that we need to hold, it's $9.28 that we need to hold. And with this daily candle, we actually pushed beneath that $9.28 valuation, but for the daily candle close, reclaiming it as well as the 55 at $10. And this is an extremely bullish scenario because we're losing two key levels of support and then reclaiming it for the daily candle close. And with that, I mentioned to you guys in those updates on YouTube and Twitter that we're forming a double bottom over here, and that when we do go ahead and meet the double bottom target, that we would now validate that $26 scenario. So as long as we continue to hold above $12.30, then this scenario where we reach $26 that we have been calling for weeks and months on end will actually come to fruition. But please do understand that as we have reclaimed the moving averages and invalidated any bearish cross, the EMA repel has formed, the slingshot motion has come exactly as predicted. Now just confirm it as support, and that's the $12.30 area. As long as this now maintains the support, we will continue to $26 and then our all-time high. Guys, what else can I do for you? I give all this information out every single day for you guys to profit off of, and you guys are definitely doing so. Let me know in the comment section below if you have been making money from these calls. Equally, if you want to take that next step in your trading, I do have mentorship offers at the moment. We are actually doing a giveaway for a mentorship offer of 30 minutes and an ebook to 2 lucky winners. One of you will get this, one of you will get that, and we are waiting for 2.5k followers, which we're 6 followers away from, and 8k, which we're under 100 followers away from. During this period, there will be exclusive discounts on my course and mentorship. Use the links down below to head over to Twitter to find the giveaway over here. Do your entries and let me know once you're done in the comment section below, or you can also go over to the website and find all of these offers at the moment, and we'll run through them very quickly. Essentially, for £99 you're going to be getting my course and 2 months free in the Discord, which is worth £40. So that's already over the valuation that you're paying for. And this was once 150. So in that Discord community, you're going to get Tuesday and Thursday mentorship in there, where I teach you how to trade, how to read the charts exactly like me. And you have access to my long list of cryptos. My portfolio is in the chat. If you want to try out just 1 hour sessions, it is discounted at the moment, but you only get that 1 hour of session. Now, if you want to get multiple hours of mentorship on top of the course and the Discord, which, remember guys, the course is 99 and the 2 months in the chat is £40, and you're going to be getting, for an extra £10, 3 hours of my one-to-one help. So if you want to check out these options, there are the availabilities left down below. So 5 slots left here. There's only 2 slots on the 5 hours, and someone's already taken action on the 10 hours of one-to-one help. So you can see the slots down underneath if you are interested. Otherwise, yeah, use the links down below. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.